Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome back to Learn Mandarin Chinese in 5 minutes YouTube channel. Today's topic is about Duan Wu Jie, also known as Dragon Boat Festival. Instead of talking about why the Chinese community all over the world celebrates this festival, we will talk about what the people do and eat during this festival. Before we get started, do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you are on YouTube, click the alert notification. Duan Wu Jie is also known as Dragon Boat Festival, Dragon Day, Double Fifth Festival, etc. It is one of the foremost important festivals celebrated, especially in mainland China, namely Spring Festival, 春节, Qing Ming Festival, Qing Ming Jie, and Mooncake Festival, 中秋节. Duan Wu Jie, or Dragon Boat Festival, occurs on the 5th day of the 5th month on the Chinese lunar calendar. In September 2009, UNESCO added Dragon Boat Festival to the Intangible Cultural Heritage list, making it the first Chinese festival to receive the honor. What do the Chinese community, especially in mainland China, do during Duan Wu Festival? Number 1. Hang wormwood, 艾, 草, and calamus, 菖蒲. Other than the well-known dragon boat races on the Dragon Boat Festival, on this day, it is a must for every household to clean the courtyard and hang wormwood and calamus. The folks believe that wormwood can ward off evil spirits and invite 100 blessings. During the Dragon Boat Festival, hanging wormwood on the door has become a common custom. Calamus is a medicine that refreshes the body, strengthens bones, and kills insects. As the leaves of calamus are shaped like a sword, it is believed that by placing it at the door will prevent evil. The fortune tellers called calamus as water sword, but later expounded to become pu sword that can slash thousands of evils. Number 2. Wash oneself with herbal water, 洗草药水. It is believed that the medical properties of all herbs are the strongest during Duan Wu Festival. On that day, medical herbs are available everywhere. Bathing with herbal water on Dragon Boat Festival can cure skin diseases and remove evil spirits. Number 3. Wearing a perfume pouch, 配香囊. The pouches are usually filled with some aromatic Chinese herbal medicines for their fragrance, for repelling insects, preventing pests, and preventing diseases. The colorful pouches are made of silk cloth and usually hung around the child's neck or tied to the front of his or her garment as an ornament. Number 4. Tie 5-colored silk thread, 双五色丝线. In the early morning of the Dragon Boat Festival, the first big thing every adult do is to tie the 5-colored thread: red, green, yellow, white, and black on the child's wrist, ankle, and neck to help the child ward off pests. The colors have to be these 5 colors according to the 5-element theory. Green is wood, representing the east. Red is fire, representing the south. Yellow is soil, representing the center. White is metal, representing the west. Black is water, representing the north. Number 5. Flying kites. 放,指,鸢. In the cities of southern China, it is also accustomed to fly kites during the Dragon Boat Festival. Children flying kites are called 放秧. Let disasters or bad things blow away with the wind. Number 6. Fetch noon water. 打五十水. During the Dragon Boat Festival, fetching water at noon is a traditional custom along the southern coastal region in China. Fetching water from a well between 11 in the morning and 1 o'clock in the afternoon on that day is regarded as good luck. The water at this time is the best to ward off evil spirits. The noon water is also called 龙目水, literally means dragon's eye water. Number 7. Draw the forehead. 画额. During the Dragon Boat Festival, it is customary to use realgar to write the Chinese character Wang equals to king on children's foreheads. This is said to repel poisonous insects. Furthermore, the Chinese character Wang symbolizes a ferocious tiger to suppress evil. Number 8. Stick 5 poisons. 贴五毒. Ancient Northerners believed that the Dragon Boat Festival was a poisonous and evil day. This belief has passed down from generations. Because of this belief, there are various customs of seeking peace and avoiding the 5 poisons. 5 poisons refer to centipedes, snakes, scorpions, geckos, and toads. People in the north would draw the 5 poisonous insects with yellow paper, paste them on the wall, and then pierce the drawings of the 5 poisonous with a pointed needle, which means to get rid of the 5 poisons. What are eaten on Duan Wu Festival? Number 1. Rice dumplings. 粽子. 粽子 is a pyramid shaped with glutinous rice wrapped in bamboo leaves. Fillings differ in different parts of China. In North China, people favor the red dates as the filling, and South China, they prefer sweetened bean paste, fresh meat, or egg yolk. In Southeast Asia, such as Singapore and Malaysia, we even have Nonya dumplings, 娘惹粽, which is a blend of traditional Chinese and localized Malay cooking. Number 2. Eating the 5 yellow food in Jiangnan region. 雄黄酒. People believe that drinking realgar wine can drive away evil spirits and detoxify and keep good health. In the legend story, The Legend of the White Snake, White Snake revealed her original form after drinking this wine. Thus, people in ancient times believed that Rilga wine can cure the poisons from snakes, scorpions, and centipedes. 黄鱼 Huangyu are the main seafood of the season. These fishes are of high quality and quantity during the month of May. 黄瓜 People call cucumber or huanggua as the first fruit because it is the very first product available in the market about the same timing as the Dragon Boat Festival. Thus, it is a must-have during this festive season. Moreover, cucumber detoxifies and clears the summer heat. 黄鳝 It is said that the rice-field eel, Huang Shan, in the month of May and June, is tender, delicious, and rich in nutrition. There is a saying that during May and June, the nutritional value of rice-field eel is higher than ginseng. 咸鸭蛋黄 Eating salted duck eggs is the custom of Dragon Boat Festival because they believe that the eggs can get rid of toxics in the body so as to maintain good health. That is all we have for you today. Let us know what you think about this video. Leave a comment and we will get back to you ASAP. Thank you. 今天的视频就到此结束，谢谢大家，祝大家端午节快乐 ！Happy Dragon Boat Festival！